Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be grinding coffee beans in the Vitamix. Please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for all new content. Here we go. All right, so I have about 4 cups of coffee beans in the Vitamix. And we're getting ready to start it. All right, we're going to start off on the 1 setting. Right. All right, first of all, it smells amazing, and here is the results. The coffee is finely grind. Oh, look at that. Hang on, let me get some more light on it. And this is gonna be going into my pour over machine. I think it did a pretty good job. The coffee is nice and fine. Let's see if I can put it underneath the light. Here we go. Alrighty, here's a shot of the coffee after it's been, oh, there you go. It's nice and fine. I think it'll do great in my coffee machine. Scoop of this. All right, here's another shot of the coffee inside of the blender. Before I take it out, you can clearly see it's nice and fine. All right, here's the end of it. There was a little bit of coffee stuck like in the corners that I had to take out. It wasn't grinded as much as the other coffee, so I had to restart the machine and get it to grind what was like compacted into the corners. But here's the machine after I emptied it out. And here is, oh, I made a little bit of a mess here, but here are my 4 cups. 4 cups of coffee that I made. I put it underneath the light there. And next I'll brew a pot of coffee and let y'all know how it turned out. Okay, this is my Cuisinart coffee maker, and sorry, it's not a pour over, it's a drip. Sorry for saying that during the other videos, but we're gonna make about 5 cups of coffee. That's pretty much all I ever do is about 5-6 cups. That's about enough for about 5 cups. We're gonna close it and just set it. We'll see how it turns out. So the coffee is done brewing. Here's a shot of the coffee. Let's take a little pour. Okay, I gotta admit that I'm a little concerned that the large particles of the coffee rose to the top and the smaller pieces are at the bottom. And I don't typically get this type of hoe in the cone when I do my pre-grinded coffee bags. And so I'm wondering if this is because of the inconsistency of the coffee grounds. So we'll see how this goes. Definitely, that's not what it looks like whenever I buy pre-grinded coffee. So I typically buy these smaller bags of pre-grinded coffee from LavAzza, and they taste great, they're even, and the flavor is very rich. And but now that I've grinded my own beans, I've been buying this brand, this version of it recently. But now that I've grinded my own beans and I've had some time to taste it, it doesn't exactly taste the same as when you get it pre-grinded. It tastes a little bit stronger. It tastes kind of like an espresso. So we'll see what happens as I continue to brew pots of coffee. But it's definitely a little bit stronger. So maybe that was just the first pour. But I'll keep you posted if the Vitamix is a good option for grinding your coffee beans.